You can trade from anywhere in the world as long as you have an internet connection. Making money with Forex trading is all about deciding just the right time to buy and sell currencies. Now, you might be asking yourself, how am I supposed to decide when it's the right time to buy or sell? Forex traders often struggle with this decision, but we have a solution for them that is so easy. Even people who know nothing about Forex can use it and be profitable with trading. You see, advances in innovation softwares are allowing the world to work smarter, not harder. Major banks and hedge funds used advanced Forex softwares to give them the upper hand with Forex trading. That increases their ability to earn money and allows them to rapidly respond to market changes and news events. These softwares give them an unfair advantage over everyone else in the Forex industry. But luckily for you, someone cared enough to send you this video. Because for the first time, you can get access to an advanced Forex software that makes all the decisions for you. Our innovative Forex software is self-learning. It reacts to changes happening around the world, important dates, and news events. By utilizing price action, a special hedging function, low drawdown percentages, and a proprietary trading algorithm, this software has proven to be both beneficial and scalable. Now is your chance to get access to a software that can level the playing field. In these unpredictable economic times, you need any advantage you can get your hands on. But don't worry, even though our software is extremely advanced, we've also made it extremely easy to use. We wanted to make sure that the average person, who possibly has never even heard of Forex before, could use our software and get a powerful advantage in Forex trading. In fact, if you have a computer and you've ever followed the directions in a YouTube video, we are confident you can set up our software. We've made it so simple. You can set it and forget it. No, really, you're not dreaming, and it's not too good to be true. Your money should always work harder for you than you work for it. It's time to work smarter, not harder. It's time to put the best technology available to work for you. Click the link and become a member today.